guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Barbie Chatterjee here with you guys, and I'm back with another exclusive video for you all. So today's video is all going to be about my Cuffs and Lashes makeup haul, as by the title you can know already. So yeah, without further more ado, let's get started. But before that, you need to subscribe to my channel and also like and share. Also comment down below what kind of different products do you want me to purchase and review for you guys. And yeah, I will also mention my Instagram ID over here, and also the link will be in the description box below. So if you're not following me on Instagram already, do go and check out, because I post some really good stuff over there and some extra tips and tricks for makeup over there. So yeah, let's get started. So I didn't really get a lot of products from Cuffs and Lashes. I have only purchased 4 products, but I wanted to share it with you all. And if you are wondering about this makeup look, I created this makeup look just right now. So the video will already be up on YouTube, or will be up after this video. So after the video is up, I'll mention the link in the description box down below. So if you want to check the makeup look, you can definitely go ahead and check it out. So the first product is the Color Feel CF Beauty Jet Black Sketch Liner. So this is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is how the product looks like. So this has a very beautiful golden kind of packaging to it, and it's written Color Feel over here, and it's written professional high-tech pen eyeliner, 100% waterproof. This the eyeliner is there inside over here. I have like started using this eyeliner, and the back all the details are mentioned. So the MRP of this liner is rupees 174, and the manufacturing is to 2020 January, and the expiry is 21. So I think you only get 1 year, like almost 2 years of shelf life, and all the ingredients are mentioned, everything is mentioned. And this is manufactured by Sylvie Herbals and Beauty Treats. So you also get 2 grams of product in this. This is priced at 174, but I am sure I got it on discount. So this is how it looks like. I got only of I got this one only because of the packaging. Like, the packaging looks so stunning, you guys. The packaging looks like any high-end product. I'll just show you the swatch. Let me show you the applicator. So the applicator is a perfect applicator. Like, this is really easy to draw in your eyeliner and everything. And yeah, if you're a beginner and if it's really difficult for you to draw, eyeliners, then you can invest one sketch eyeliner. So I'll just show you the strokes. So you can see it's like jet black. If you want to create thin strokes, you can. If you want to create anything, like, it's like jet black. And I really like this eyeliner. This is definitely not waterproof, as I guess it's mentioned waterproof. Yeah, it's written 100% waterproof. To some extent it's waterproof. If I do the waterproof test and just dab it with some handkerchief, then it's good. But if I start rubbing it, it starts smudging a little bit, but it doesn't fade away completely. So that's it about this eyeliner. So I got another eyeliner which I am currently wearing right now. I'm actually testing out this eyeliner right now. So this is Cuffs and Lashes by Nidhi Katiyar's eyeliner. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. This one is in the shade Pitch, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. So I was really excited to try out this eyeliner, and this one retails for 199 rupees, and you get absolutely no discount on this. It's already affordable, I know. So the outer packaging looks really intriguing. Like, it looks really beautiful, and all the ingredients, manufacturing date, expiry date are mentioned over here at the back. And you get 8 ml of quantity in this eyeliner. Like, you are getting 8 ml. Can you imagine 8 ml only for 200 rupees? Like, it's super duper affordable. And again, all the manufacturing dates and details are mentioned over here, which I really like, because you usually tend to throw away the outer cardboard box packaging. Anyways, I am a little bit of a box hoarder, so I sometimes keep the boxes. So this is a very good thing that she did. And the applicator is also really good. I won't comment on the eyeliner right now, but I would just say that the applicator is really good. It's really thin and precise. Like, you can just draw very thin strokes as well as very thick strokes. And I'll just show you the swatch. So this is how it looks like. Or you can just, it's really pigmented, you guys. It's also a jet black liner. It dries down to a matte finish. If you're also looking for, you know, shimmery or glossy eyeliners, they also have that, but I am more of a matte eyeliner person, so I didn't get the shimmery one, and I only got the matte one. So but let's see how it stays. So the next thing I have got is the Olivia liquid foundation. This one is in the shade 03 soft beige. So this pretty much matches with my skin tone. It's a slight bit lighter, and I got this for rupees 50, and again all the expiry and manufacturing dates are mentioned over here. So you get 18 ml of product in this, and I just got it to try out because I have heard people rave about the Olivia liquid foundation, and I just wanted to try it out. So I got the mini version of the Olivia foundation. I'll just show you the shade. A proper review video will already be up on my channel, so if you want to just see the review video, I'll be mentioning the link in the description box down below. So it does have a little bit of strong fragrance to it, but that's all your call. So this is how it looks like, and let me just blend it out. It blends out really easily. If you want a detailed video, as I said, the review will already be up on my channel. So this has a slight bit of a pink undertone, so that is one thing which I don't like, because I have a yellow undertone, like strong yellow golden undertone to my skin. So yeah, that's that. And the last product which I got from Cuffs and Lashes is the You Can Be Cruise Face and Body Painting Palette, and this is how the palette looks like. It has a very beautiful outer packaging, and this I got this the MRP was around 1500 rupees, but I got this for 1000 rupees from Cuffs and Lashes. Again, all the ingredients and all the details are again mentioned at the back of the packaging as always. And let me dig into the product. I don't want to make it a long ass video. So this is how the palette looks like. I have already started using it, and I have created a few makeup looks out of this. And the packaging is a little bit sturdy, I would say. It's not very flimsy, because see, it holds up. Like, this doesn't fall down. And oh my god, like shit, like what did I do? uh, uh just look at that. You know, when luck is not on your side, this happens. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Yeah, you can see that I've hit pan on the black shade. Like, I created a Thunder God makeup look, which will also be soon up on my YouTube channel, and it's also there on my Instagram. I every time post the first picture of my makeup look on my Instagram, so stay tuned and also do follow me over there. So this is how it looks like, and the shades are really really beautiful and pigmented. I'll just show you the swatch of a few shades, and these are really really creamy and buttery soft, but the quantity in this palette is not enough. So these are how the shades look like. The shades are really pigmented and creamy, but the quantity is literally not enough, because you get a very less amount of product in this. Like, I just created one makeup look, and I just mixed this black shade with a foundation because I wanted a slightly gray undertone, and I wanted it to be a little bit matte finish. So I painted till here, and I have hit pan on this. Like, only one time use I've hit pan on this. So that's a little bit disappointing, but on and all of like everywhere, like, if I see that for the price being, this palette is a good one, because usually face and body painting palettes are too expensive, and I just entered new I'm new into the face painting kind of thing. Like, I am really interested in doing a face painting thing, so I got this palette for my makeup looks. So yeah, that was today's haul. Another haul video will be up soon. Whatever I purchased from Amazon, Myntra and Flipkart and Nykaa, I guess. Yeah, so that haul will also be up soon. So yeah, bye bye, take care.